Audio video sync, 3, 2, 1. Happy Fire Alarm Friday and welcome to the unboxing of the Wheelock Exceder. So today's video is going to be a bit of a different video. We'll be unboxing a Wheelock Exceder. I'm sorry for the quality difference here. The XA is no longer, I had to sell it in order to buy this Exceder. I felt that between the two, it would probably be better to have the Exceder than the XA. That camera was just a little excessive for what I'm doing. So we're back to the good old candy ham, as Robert would call it. And hopefully you guys can excuse the quality a little bit. I'm still getting all the settings dialed in. So let's go ahead and get to unboxing the Exceder here. Remember, as Craig Arnold told you back in the day, if you can't point the knife towards yourself, point it towards your friends. Wow, here's our first look at the Wheelock Exceder. Oh, oops. I didn't mean to hit that there. Look at that. Look at how cool that is. That looks amazing. It looks like it's an STR strobe. I think I ordered a horn strobe, but oh well. So let's get to the unboxing experience, and let's hold up. That ain't no Exceder. What the? It's an RSS. So legitimately, this was not the item that was pictured at all on the eBay listing. The original listing was for a Wheelock Exceder. It was a Wheelock EHS EL1 WM24, I believe, that was mislabeled as an Exceder. And this is not an Exceder. This is an RSS. This is also not an EHS EL1. This is indeed an RSS. I was planning on this as an April Fool's thing, but it seems I am indeed the greater fool here. And I was fooled by the seller. So, I mean, I guess I've always wanted to get an RSS, but, well, that's a little more concerning than I had first imagined. And let's see what's in the manual here. Yeah, this is indeed an Exceder manual. So, yeah, I purchased the listing because it was not an Exceder, but, this is beyond me. This is beyond any level that I could have pranked you guys with. Yeah, this is not an Exceder. Okay. Well, that was both a pleasant and unpleasant surprise. I was going in with the assumption that this was going to be an EHS EL1 and that this was going to be, you know, funny and I was going to be in on the joke, but apparently the universe decided that that wasn't funny enough, and that this would be funny enough to send me a remote strobe when I had paid for a horn strobe. So, okay, but in a moment of total HD seriousness now, this was not at all what I was expecting from the unboxing. Like I said, the listing was for an EHS EL1 series horn strobe. That was mislabeled as an Exceder, but this is indeed, as you can see, not an EHS EL1. So, all jokes aside, this was not what I was expecting here. I'm not sure if I'm going to contact the seller about this mix-up or not, but yeah, it seems as though in an attempt to do an April Fool's video, I myself was made a fool. And of course, you know, going back to the OG camera, the one that started everything, and it's recorded on Funny Mic. So, you know, this takes us way back. But anyway, that's all I've got for you here for this video. So this was not at all anticipated. Yeah, I really don't have anything else to say. So, okay, I guess I should probably just end the video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I guess I'll see you in the next one.